Did you know that this year alone, the U.S. will spend $8.2 billion on affiliate marketing? Now, I didn't come up with that number. That's actually according to Statista. Now listen, friend, I need you to pay close attention in this video because you're in a great position to get started with an affiliate marketing business. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you some affiliate marketing basics. I'm going to talk about what is affiliate marketing, why you should get started, how it works, and how much money you could potentially earn, and exactly how you can get started. So let's dive into it. What is affiliate marketing? Basically, affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's product or service in a return for a commission. Now, usually commissions are a percentage of the sale price, but they could also be a fixed amount. For example, Aweber, which is an email marketing platform, it has affiliate program. Anyone can sign up. It's free to sign up. And let's say you have a YouTube channel where you review Aweber. You could review how easily it is to send emails and how to navigate through how to set up your list and so on and so forth. In the description of your video, it will be a link. This is your Aweber affiliate link. It's a link that they provide you. If someone clicks on that link after watching your video because you did an amazing job talking about the latest update or simply explaining how to use the tool, then that link will take them to Aweber where they can make a purchase. And then if they purchase, Aweber pays you a percentage. The trick here is the more videos and products you review, the more you could potentially earn. And you can do that in any niche. So why start with affiliate marketing? Well, here are 3 reasons why you should be considered doing affiliate marketing. Number 1 is low risk. It's low cost. Let me explain. It costs a lot to start a traditional business or a brick and mortar business. You need products. You need employees, equipment, rent, all kinds of stuff. This makes it extremely risky and expensive. With affiliate marketing, all you need is a hub. A hub is your home on the internet where you send people to check out what you have to offer. You can send people to your hub by having a social media account like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, or even Facebook. So if you try things that don't work out, listen, friend, it's not the end of the world. Number 2, it can be fairly easy to scale this business and even make more money. Most affiliates promote more than one product. When you're an affiliate marketer, you can promote as many products from multiple different companies and earn commissions from all of them. Personally, I've got 5, 6, I think 10 products that I promote, and you can even earn reoccurring commission. For example, a software as a service product, like there's a website software that I promote, and people need to pay for that every single month in order to use this tool. And this software is amazing. And so guess what? If I refer someone, I get a percentage every single month, as long as they're still using the software. Number 3, high ticket commissions. Now, this is what I do. I think it is the best because you're doing the same amount of work for a low ticket as you are for a high ticket, but you're obviously getting paid a lot more. Now, when I first started, I promoted small ticket items that paid me $10 to $50. Now, as my experience grew and I got more comfortable, I now promote products and services that pay me in the thousands. I'm doing the same amount of work as a $50 product, but I'm getting paid $1,000 commission. Now, that's not bad, right? So let's talk about how it works. Every affiliate gets a unique link. That way the affiliate can track who's responsible for the sales. It could be as simple as a product domain. / your name, or it can be a product domain / a series of numbers. But it's unique to you and only you. When someone clicks on that link, something called a cookie, right, or a cookies, you've probably heard about them before or even seen a disclaimer on a website. Those are tracked by a merchant. Now, this worried me when I first started, but trust me, they know it's you and you will get paid. Now, this is the fun part. So you may say, Rod, I think I understand. But how much money can I make? Will I be buying a Lambo in the next month? Wait a minute, hold your horses. Probably not. Although there's really no limit to how much money you can earn with affiliate marketing. There are a few factors to consider. Number one is your niche. What kind of product are for sale in that niche? How much do people spend each year? You need to do your research before getting started. But the most profitable niches, the most popular, are health, wealth, and relationship. Now, that doesn't mean you can't make good money promoting barbecue grills. I know a guy on TikTok who is crushing it, selling grills, and even has his own cooking classes and spices that he sells. And as I mentioned earlier, it depends on the product and services you promote. Plus, some companies pay a very high commission, like 50% or more, where some may only pay 5 to 7%. Amazon is notorious for paying very low percentage, and that's one of the reasons why I don't recommend Amazon for beginners. And second, because it's so crowded. I recommend private companies. So if you're thinking about getting started in affiliate marketing, start with your niche idea first. Then simply go into Google and do your research. What products are for sale? Are there Facebook groups around this topic or niche? You want competition. That means there is money to be made, but you don't want to promote the same affiliate link as everybody else is doing. You want to have your own, and that's why it's critically important to create a hub. A hub is not just a website, although it has a website. A hub is not a funnel, although it has a funnel. A hub has membership areas and much more. If you want to learn more about the hub-based model, then check out the link in the description below. Above all, to be successful as an affiliate, you need to work hard and never give up. There's no guarantees, and this is not a sprint. This is a marathon. But trust me, it is worth it to train for this marathon. So how do you get started? I think the best thing is for me to share with you kind of how I got started. When I first started, I consumed as many YouTube videos just like this. I could read blog posts. I attended webinars. I did this for a good solid year. And guess what, friend? I made in a year 13 cents. It wasn't good at all. And my family members are the worst critics, but you can't give up. You have to believe in yourself. Keep reminding yourself that can't never could. Get that in your head. Can't never could. Can't never could do anything. I thought my wife was going to kick me out of the house, but after a good 1,000+ hours of trying to do it on my own, I finally invested in myself and I purchased training. Now, I'm not telling you that you have to go and spend money on training. I know it could be expensive, but I also look at it like trying to get a job, right? I can go to work for a company and hope to move up in rank someday and make more money, or I could go to school at night, learn a specific skill that I know that will get me there a heck of a lot quicker, right? A skill set that's in high demand. One thing I told myself is that the skills I learned as an affiliate marketer will last the rest of my life. Affiliate marketing is like the framework to growing any online business. If you want to learn more about how you can get started with affiliate marketing, please check the first link in my description below. I'll take you where you can learn more about how you can get started with affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.